Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a new 2025 casting which is by Hotwheels and it's a custom Kia EV6. For those who don't know, Kia EV6 electric vehicle which is sold in a lot of different markets, but this one is a custom one as you can see. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the custom Kia EV6 out of its box. The first thing you will notice is the paint job on this one. It's finished in some kind of purple paint, mostly metallic purple, and has got a anime kind of theme. You can see Kia EV6 written there. This anime character, I guess, and same thing goes for the front. You can see that's like anime inspired. Again, it's a custom one, so there are things which are different from the actual EV6, like the front. In the front here, you don't get this on the actual Kia EV6. You just get a normal bumper. Same goes for this big spoiler and diffuser, so you don't get that. But since we are on the side, let's just continue here. Wheels, they look nice, especially goes with the theme. I'm glad they did the mirror. That's also good. But if you look closely here, even there's a big like aero design here element which you don't have on the actual EV6. Like there's a gap which goes from all the way from here to the back. If you see, yeah, there's no window here. There's like aero gap. So let's go to the front and see what's there. So up front, it misses out on any headlamp details. I don't know why. And then even the hood here is like custom. It's not like the actual Kia EV6. I don't know what this means. What's written on top? I can't read that. I can read AA and CC. I'm glad they have both the mirrors. This custom aero bumper, I would say. So it's very custom. It's not what you see on the exact EV6. Also, if you look closely, the steering is in the center, which is very unlike the actual EV6. Now, so on this side again, same theme continues with the anime inspired graphics on the side. A body kit which goes to the back, as we talked, a big spoiler, big diffuser. Again, no tail lamp here either, but if you see on the top, there's again this aero element, shark fin antenna, and I think this is sunroof, on the cut line from the sunroof. If you look closely here, you can see like there's a gap where the air can come from this side and come out, so it's more aero thing. Apart from that, I don't see any major details here. No tail lamps, and this is how it looks from the bottom. Now the question, should you add it to your collection? Again, this is a casting based on EV6, so it's not very close to what you will see on the road. So again, it depends on you. If you want to collect these, you can go ahead. It does miss out on a lot of details, but does have a cool paint job. So it depends on you. But I think it's a decent casting. Not great, but it's alright. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.